Chef Treasure Kitchen. I'm sorry. So what are we cooking today?
Yes, we're making Nigerian stew.
Nigerian stew.
Yes,
all right.
In our former video, we made a lot of proteins.
Yes.
We have the shaki, we have the goat meat, we have the pomoro, and here this is a new one. We have this roasted turkey. This is roasted turkey. So we're gonna use these ones as we're gonna use it as the protein for the stew. We have the groundnut oil, we have the basil leaf, we have the curry, we have tin tomatoes, the tomato paste, normally called, this is onion, ginger, and garlic. The same here because I like using enough onion and ginger and garlic.
So this is onion, ginger, and garlic. The blended one, right?
Blended ones,
okay.
Yes. And this is just the sliced onion that I will use to fry for some time before I start adding. Then if you come over here on this, we have the belly, we have the tomato. This is the fresh tomato blended already. We have the tatashi, what Nigeria calls
tatashi. That is a pepper, right?
Yeah. We have the pepper, we have the tatashi, the orodo, we have them already blended.
Here, all right.
Yes, these are the
and what kind of meat?
This is pomo, and we have goat's meat there. We have shaki. It's already prepared. We're going to use this also, and we're going to use the roasted turkey.
Roasted turkey.
Now, if you want to buy,
it's a premium sauce.
Yes,
they sell
dealers.
all Africans.
Yes, the African food. Yes.
All right.
So
and where is this premium stuff located?
It's located in northeast, and
Calgary.
Calgary, yes.
Okay, northeast Calgary, Canada.
Premium sauce. Yes. All right. We're going to drop her number down maybe after this video. So if you want to call her to buy, you can call her to buy.
And when we call her to order, she will ship to their house?
Sure. Delivery.
Free shipping?
Sure, free shipping.
All right.
Yes. She will deliver at your doorstep.
Doorstep.
Yes. So we're going into the kitchen now.
So what are we doing first now?
The first thing to do is to put the oil, allow it to heat up for some time. Then we'll put the onion to fry. Okay. Then we now go in with the fresh tomatoes.
All right, let's start.
So this is the pot I'm using. I'm going to add the groundnut oil like I've just added. It's already inside. And we're going to allow it to like heat up. Then we now put onion.
Okay.
Yes. Oil is heat. So I'm adding the onion. Allow it to stay fried for some time. I'm using 2 big tins because I'm going to take out from here to make my jollof rice. Also, you can also use the stew to eat anything. Maybe you want to eat rice, you want to eat potato, you want to eat banana. You can use it to eat anything. It's like a sauce, but the Nigerians call it stew. It's like a sauce. It's very delicious when you finish it. So you stir fry, allow it to cook. Yeah, I've stir fried this for like 15 minutes. I want the tomato to cook, the tomato paste to cook so it doesn't have a taste. So I'm trying to put the fresh tomato now. This is the fresh tomato I'm putting. So I'm going to allow it to. Okay, that's the fresh tomato, and I want to also put
What's that?
That's
the
bell
pepper. Okay.
Yes, tatashi.
And so on.
Yes. Goes all around. Then I cover it to cook. I'm going in with blended onion, garlic, and ginger, and I'll allow it to cook. I stir very well so it can cook. Before I come in with my spices, I will have to let them cook very well. Then this chicken, I'm putting the turkey, I'm putting few of it, the pomo, I'm putting some of it too.
The pomo, right?
I'm putting some of it. I'm putting the turkey, not all, just few of it. So that's it. Now I want to put curry. I'm going to put the curry. To taste. Then I want to try to put this basil leaf. A little of it. That's a choice. I've not added any of those things.
What's that?
That's Maggi.
Okay. Seasoning.
Seasoning, yeah. So, I think.
Alright, guys. So, this new food is called olugu soup. Alright, so we are sorry that we cannot make we cannot show you guys the ingredients because we don't have enough time. But what is inside this saucepan you are looking is boiled shaki meat and what do we call, what meat is this? Duck meat. Yes. Okay, they mix together with the fish. Okay, you can see roasted duck meat, shaki, and fish. Okay, smoked fish all together inside the saucepan, and you stir them together. Remember, this is not. This is just is a kind of soup. It's a kind of African traditional soup called olugu soup. All right.
Is it boiling?
Yeah, it's boiling.
Okay.
And the next thing,
I'll add a little oil.
Little oil. Okay. And you continue stir them together. That's onion, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll put some water because this one will need thick. seafood.
Okay, seafood. All right. So shell. I can see shell and. Okay.
That's the seafood. So.
All right. So what are you putting now?
I'm putting blended this thing, pepper
and onion.
And onions. Yes,
all right.
only. So I'm putting my I have a pussy coming. I'm not putting this pussy.
Thickening?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm using you can use cocoyam. Okay. You can use achi leaf. You can use different things to make your thickener. You can use yam. You can boil yam to make your thickening. Cocoyam. You can use corn flour to also make your thickening.
So which one are you using now?
So what I'm using now is called what we call ofo.
Ofo.
Yes, it's from Nigeria.
Okay.
It's called ofo. So you just add a little because you don't want it to be so thick.
Ofo.
Yes. So it's a thick now. Don't worry, you might not see it now, so you are light. And the thickening will come. So that's because I want the soup more and more shake. More and more shake. I'm not putting the goat meat yet because those ones are strong. So take my hand. And I'm not supposed to use hand.
It's okay.
Okay.
Let's cook it.
So I'm picking out the shaki and the pomo to put inside. I'm not putting the goat's meat yet because the goat's meat is already soft. So I'm picking out my shaki and the pomo to put. Did I put goat's meat in last year? No. So I put enough of this, I put here. How the thickening goes. It's not yet thick. So I'm adding the crayfish.
Crayfish, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Are you seeing this one?
Yeah.
This one?
No. Please, you can stay this one, right?
Yes. Okay.